Guys, I'm starting to stream right now. I think I've started to live stream. Yeah, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm live. So, forget about these ones. I was just okay. It's actually live. So I'm gonna start sharing my coding scene. So we're gonna do that, guys. We're starting. Let's go. We'll be doing a bit of coding today, and today will be mainly. It's actually live. So I'm gonna start sharing my coding scene. So guys, today we are going to be learning Angular. I did an earlier stream today on Twitch and I was doing a bit of Angular. So I'm learning Angular. Why? I have an interview next week and it's Java and Angular. I normally use React and yeah. So guys, this is basically it, and yeah, you're gonna watch me learn Angular. So I'm already started. I'm not using any component libraries because I know people use Material Angular, but I'm trying to do everything from scratch so that I can understand how state works in Angular, or how I'm supposed to do my components in Angular. I'm supposed to do loops for when I'm trying to render data, and all these type of variables that come up when you're doing UIs. Because I'm very familiar, I have some quite of experience working with React, so I kind of have the idea of how to do UIs and using component libraries or structuring my project in components. But as I was learning Spring Boot 2, like, the difference in structure is something else. So guys, let me just jump back and let's get cracking. So what I'm trying to do is, you see, normally how we have mobile hamburgers. So I've been able to set up the whole page. I've set up the button and everything. It's supposed to take us to the cart page. So I'm just going to do a simple application. It's going to be a simple e-com application. So where we're able to create okay, not create a product ideally, but okay, we can still do create a product, store everything in local storage, try to load them from local storage so that we can persist, and then be able to add an item to cart, be able to do that calculation of price. And if I'm able to do that, then I'll be more than confident I can do anything in Angular. Yeah, because I'm also doing a backend in Java for an e-com application. I'll try to connect them and try and persist this type of data. Okay, so I'll try to have everything from JWTs, try to see if I can get global state going, and all these things that normally you would have in a website, so that if I'm done with those, then I'm confident going into the interview. I'll just probably do the prep where you answer the common questions that you get in these types of interviews. But once I get the hang of doing the e-com application and being able to do all these small features, then I'll be confident going into the interview. I'll try to sell the 3 years of experience I have working with React and the other projects or the other frameworks that I am familiar with, and Cell is an addition, although these are the main things that they are looking for, but they are looking for a junior dev. Okay, if I was looking for a React role, I will not be looking for a junior dev, more of a mid-senior level. But for this one, I'm a junior. For an Angular and Java role, I don't have so much experience in those ones, but I'm a programmer at the end of the day, so whatever I have, whatever knowledge I have can be transferred to any framework. And so what I was doing right now, okay, let me just use this one. One of my friends showed me this. So I want, when I click this, we are going to show a menu drop down, and then still render the same items that we have over here. So I'm getting in tune with how we are rendering things using the I don't know, call it an attribution or what, add notation. I'm going to call it a notation, or if notation, else notation, and all this. So I'm using Tailwind CSS for this one. Yeah, and I'm using ng icons with ng table icons. So yeah, hope you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm fairly new to this. I'm fairly new, that's what I'm saying. I'm fairly new, so I'm using Neovie, and yeah, let's get cracking, guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is obviously know how I am going to do an on click. Okay, yep, I don't know how to do an on click, so I'm going to ask AI for this one. Okay, so keep it brief. How do I do an on click and call a function or updates a signal in Angular? Okay, I think this is the fastest way for me to learn because I already know what I want to do. Okay, so I saw this somewhere, and it's a very nitty-picked way of them implementing the click functionality. I don't know why they did this specifically. It's like, I've never seen this anywhere else, and yeah, I don't think any other JavaScript framework does that. Anyways, as you can see, so this is how you define the on click, and then it's a string, so you can call a function like this. So I guess this is the function that is going to be in the component, or you can do this, update a normal variable, then you can update a signal will update. Yep, this is like almost very common on how we update state in React. Those state you're going to call set state, then you also still get a callback with the old state that you had. Okay, so I'm interested, if we have state and it's an object, can you still use this same method? I guess so. And then or you can call update. So there are two methods. You can call update, where you take the old state and mutate it, or you can call set directly and do a direct update. So this is like a direct mutation, not calling the set function. So we're going to use the update one. I don't know if it has some asynchronous, or maybe there's some benefit it gives us. So we're going to say on click, this gives us a string. So once we have the string, what we're going to call is, we're going to call the set state on this one. So we're going to get our signal. Our signal is menu open. Actually, it works with the LSP. So menu open dot update. Then we're going to say our status. Then we're going to say not status. Okay, so it's basically going to toggle. So what it's telling us is an expected token. What token is unexpected in this case? This is an arrow function. Are we using different type of functions for this or no? Update, okay. Oh bro, what come on, I've actually done exactly the same that type of okay. Let me ask here. Okay, I'm going to try and compare these two and see which one is going to give me a better one. So I'm just going to, I like this feature that they added. There's also a group add feature here that these guys added. All these features are great actually. I don't know, maybe Grok. The reason I'm not using Grok, or should I use Grok Fast? Grok Fast might be better. Submit form. Actually, also another thing I want to learn is how to do forms. Yeah, forms is another good. Okay. I mean, okay. Okay. So you can call an increase count. Okay. So should I do like I want to do the direct update actually. How can I do a direct signal update in button, from the button, in the button? Doesn't really matter. Steps of bro, then you'll have to find out you're a fuck. Okay guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, so you're going to see me share. I'm going to share something here with my colleague. I almost crashed out, but guys, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to Webflow. Oh shoot, oh shoot, no, you guys can't see that, man. Webflow. Okay, so I'm going to transfer something to this website I did for him. We were supposed to partner on a project, but I was not available, so I'm going to transfer it to him so he can keep on development. The steps of updating Webflow, bro. I was learning like Webflow. It's simple. It's not hard. I cannot say it's hard. It's actually simple, but guys, you the steps for doing, like, I was trying to do a model pop-up, and the steps for doing a model pop-up, I would have wished it would have been plain HTML CSS, bro. You know, right now I'm like interested in anything, bro. Bro, if Webflow is taking so long to load, guys, I don't know what is fucking wrong with them. Yeah, I'm going to send. I guess guys, this one has to wait a little bit. Okay, I don't know what's wrong with these. What the fuck is wrong with Webflow? It's not loading my dashboard at all. Am I under attack or something? Guys, chat. I don't like that. People call chat, guys. So let me do this. Let me 200 fucking. So he said this. You see, I'm a uni student. I'm in my 4th year. I'm in my senior year. So currently we have projects in school, and I'm taking on side hustles. I'm also looking for a job. But so bro is like, namkumbuka. So he's telling me about, there's a guy we worked with. He's called Jim Baglin. He's not Jim Baglin, but we worked with him, and he's the one who he's going to connect me to some job. Yep, it's you get paid like I'm not going to tell you guys, but it's like $200. It's like $200 a week for the front end role, and maybe 250 or 300 for the back end role. I want to take the back end role actually. You know why? For the back end role, Yeah, yeah, yeah. Why the back end role? Because I feel like with backend you can work way faster with AI than the front end role, and yeah, I'm sure I can get done with tickets way faster doing a back end role than the front end role. It doesn't matter if it's going to be in Java Spring Boot or it's going to be in my favorite TypeScript language in Node.js or Burn or whatever. As long as TypeScript, I can do it. So yeah, I'm going to pick that one. So guys, this one is taking like so long. I don't know what's wrong with this one. Do we have internet first? Hello, bro. We have fucking internet. We're actually using Starlink. Let's say the speeds in Nairobi. The speeds in Nairobi. Actually, it's shared. It's shared among um, several people in this place. Yeah, I'm not the only one using it, so I guess that's why the speeds are slow, but it normally gets to around 30, 40, 14 bps. It's not bad for dev workflows. If I was doing a lot of media related workflows where I need to upload gigabytes, then that would be bad, but I'm only downloading 2 megabytes of node modules. That's not a lot, so I mean that works for me. What am I doing? Actually, the reason I decided to start live streaming, it's easy for you to keep accountable of what you're doing than just normally I scroll around. I normally scroll, guys. So yeah, you can find me on X1 controller. I don't have lighting. Yeah, guys, I don't have lighting. um i'll probably I'll probably get some lighting sometime. um what the fuck is wrong with Webflow, man? It's not loading. Marketplace, libraries. um can I do like a logout from the Webflow? Okay, guys, I'll have to log out. I'm going to cloud cookies. I guess there's something that is holding me back. There's something holding me back. So I'm going to clear local storage. Yep. And then I'm going to also clear cookies. I hope you guys don't see my cookies. The Webflow. Yep, just Webflow alone. I've qualified. I don't know what that is, but yep, that should be enough for me to for them to ask me to log in, so that maybe there was an issue with caching and shit. I don't know. I'm going to continue with Google. You guys are gonna see my emails. Okay, it doesn't matter. I'll use those emails anyways. Actually, do use those emails. If you have a job, you can email me. Yeah, please don't spam, guys. Don't spam, please. Please don't spam. Please don't spam. Oh, there's how I used to check these states. How do we use? Because you can select from a tree and you can select. Bro, it's not logging in. It didn't log me in. It didn't log me in, guys. Do I need to create an account, guys? This is crazy. So I'm not going to allow you guys to see everything. So why are these layers okay, guys? I just have that on so that I can log in. I might probably have to type my password right now. I don't like, where was my Webflow site hosted? Do I fucking remember? I don't remember. I'll probably have to go to my emails and check which email I used. Okay. Yep. I'll probably. Oh, guys. Also, there was this hackathon I was applying for, and we're supposed to do simulation using Gazebo. Okay. Gazebo. Yeah, I tried to run Gazebo on Mac, and Gazebo was definitely not running. So I was wondering, am I going to be able to do it on Windows, or should I just get Linux? Because I have I have 3 laptops. There's one that is almost dead, so yep. There's one that is almost dead. November 8th. I think this is 8 actually. This is 8. So I've tried to log in and you've been logged out. Please sign in. I'm actually signing in, and the way for login is not working for real. It's not working. Should I refresh the page, or should I close down the browser? I don't know. I don't know for real. I don't know for real. It's just not logging in, guys. It's just not logging in. I don't know what's wrong with it, man. I don't know what's wrong with it, man. But there must be an issue with the Webflow. I don't know what's wrong. But this is so inconvenient. For real, it's so inconvenient. Let me hope this is gonna sign in for me. Let me just hope. Please work. Please work. Did it work, man? It did it. Oh shit. Oh sheesh, man. Sheesh. What does this one do? This opens up youtube.com and close that. Am I using too much memory? It says that it's not logging in. Or should I just close? I'm gonna close it down and then open Webflow again. Maybe there was Webflow. I don't want to open Web Telegram, guys. No, you guys cannot see even what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna wait. But there's an issue with this Webflow thing that I'm trying to do. He just told me there's a hackathon actually in the next hour, bro. It's an open project, bro. I'm gonna take it. I don't really care. Login with single sign-on. I don't have single sign-on, bro. Why is this shit not working, man? That shit is not working. This shit is not working. How am I supposed to sign in then? Should I do like forgot password? Let me try and forgot password so that I can like do the traditional sign-ins. Well, I'm a developer. I should have thought of that a long time ago. So they're gonna give me a link. Please send me a link, please. Please send me a link, or just tell me that I don't have an account so that like I can. Come on. This is crazy though. This is crazy. It's just not doing anything. Ain't doing nothing. Yo, Webflow is probably broken right now. I don't know. This okay. I need. Let me just inspect. I'm a dev. I can just check the. Bro, what the hell is going on? Oh, it's not doing fetch. Oh, I did a filter of. There's no response. Is the servers down or something, man? What is wrong? Okay, let me try and change it to a different one. But bro, I get the same. Bro, Webflow is just not logging in for real. It's not logging in, guys. I've tried to reset the password and it's not doing anything. Should I just like tell him? There's definitely an issue with Webflow. Mulinya Fadil. Do I have his GitHub? Come on, guys. Bro, I had a Netlify on this one, so let me check my repositories, guys. You're gonna forgive me for the wait. Okay, so I had the Web3 thing, Stylus Fantasy. Bro, I'm not a robot. I'm not a fucking robot. They think I'm a robot. I'm not a fucking robot. Come on, I've got internet, bro. Come on, I've got internet. These captures, man. I've got fucking internet. Disable my ad block. What the? You gonna tell me like it's the ad blocker doing this? Come on, guys. Come on, Webflow. Stop doing me dirty. See, Webflow claims that this is such a stupid experience. I'm telling you guys, this is a stupid experience. It keeps on telling me that I disable my ad blocker. I've disabled my ad blocker, and I don't have my ad block on this one. Okay, and it's thinking that I'm a robot. And I'm actually logging in via Google. While I try logging in via Google doesn't work. At least not yet. It doesn't work. It doesn't. I don't know what happened. Oh man. Bruh. This is crazy. Their bot detection shit is fucking fucked up. It's fucked. It's fucked up. Why the fuck does it think I'm a bot? Why the fuck does it think I'm a bot? Hello. Yeah. Hey. guys, I'm gonna end the stream right here. There's a meeting I'm joining, so guys, see you tomorrow, or see you after the meeting. Okay.